Hey traders, it's Teamwitherving here. Welcome to our pre-week Forex forecast for the week of March 15 to the 19th, 2021. So today I kind of changed the logo, guys, just to kind of like show you a different style. So I guess I'm gonna be doing that. So like I say, today we are gonna be recording our pre-week Forex forecast. Let me go ahead and go straight up to the chart so you can see what the market is gonna be doing this coming week, the 15th to the 19th. All right, so let me know, guys, if you guys have any questions. So I'm gonna be putting everything below, so make sure you comment, share, or like whatever you may have. So just come up and ask question if you do have any. All right, so just wanted to go ahead and give you straight up what I see here on the market. Let me go ahead and show you what I'm seeing here, guys. The market at this present time, a market is giving us a bullish position. If you pay attention here, market is still heading in a buy position. Is that sell that is getting ready in here still very weak in my opinion. So this is the USD JPY. So the market here is still trending up, guys. So I would say maybe another 20-30 pips more, then finally we are gonna be seeing this sell position here stronger by that time. So basically it's creating a leg so the market can give us a sell position right at this location here. And this coming week, the week of March 15 to the 19th, yes, the market, we are gonna be seeing the boom, that sell drop in there. That's what I think USD JPY is doing, guys. In my opinion, market is still bullish. Unless if you do see anything else. If you do see something else that I'm not seeing, please comment below. And one thing before I move on, guys, which is very important, is the following. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader trying to show you how to squeeze and make hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips with the market trading our system. So today we are trading our multiple time frame system. So comment, share below if you do have any question. Let me go ahead and give you show you the logo, so you would never said that I didn't show it to you. So here it is. Here's a multiple time frame. Become a member if you want. Make sure you like, comment, share, and and subscribe if you haven't done so. So tomorrow, Sunday, guys, today is Saturday the 13th. Tomorrow is Sunday. So tomorrow I'm gonna be showing you guys our weekly forecast. So make sure you do subscribe so you will not miss any content. All right, so hopefully USD JPY makes sense, guys. Market still bullish at this present time. So I will say maybe I will consider this entry, like I said, maybe on Monday or either Tuesday, but I'm looking for this guy to give me a drop down, okay? Because market been bullish for a while already. So it's time. Remember, what goes up must come down, right? So so we're looking for the drop in there. All right, so any question in there, guys, make sure you comment below. I'm here live anywhere with you, so let me know, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and check Euro GBP. Euro GBP, guys, still bullish at this present time. Pay close attention. I don't want you guys to say, Irvin, you didn't tell the market was bullish. Yes, it is. At this time, this is what the market is doing, guys. This is what the market is doing. The market at this time is doing a pullback, and pullback equal bad business, right? If you don't know how to trade PV, in my opinion, stay away. Remember, the market, it's trending down, guys. All you need to be looking is only for sell. Oh, look at this magic arrow in there with another sell in here. Sell. Look at this other sell. Boom. Look at the drop. Crazy drop. Look at what is forming at this present time. Real time. Market is giving us a sell, but that sell is still very weak, guys. So because remember, the market right now is doing a PV, right? It's still pushing bullish. So I will say market still gonna be pushed and come back and retest our 23 Fibonacci line. and then from there market is gonna give us a retracement down, retesting our 0 Fibonacci line again, then finally boom, market will give us a bullish position. But that's what all I can see on Euro GBP at this present time. I think this coming week is gonna be amazing. And thank you guys. We came in so far last week analysis that we did, all 9 pairs were on point. I'm very proud to say that, you know, trading multiple time frame, it has become very easy for all of us. So here it is. This is what we are trading, and here is our website in case if you guys want to come and take a look at it. But it has been very on point. So remember, what I'm come here give you this analysis, I try to give you the best of the best on the weekly base, because I'm trying to deliver the best content possible. I know a lot of people will charge you money on a weekly base, about 100 and up per week, just to give you this, and they do call those signals, right? And I don't, and you know my philosophy is only to teach you what data has not existed. I want to know, to be honest, what is Monday's gonna do, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. That's all I care. But all the traders, they love to teach you back data. Oh, if you would have taken a sell here, market would have dropped. Of course, it already dropped. Who cares about that? It would tell you here, this is a sell. Of course, it already happens. Tell me, what is the futures gonna hold Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday? That's what you need to know. That's what you need to make money. You need to know how to make money in a real time, basically, right? So hopefully all we moving on along. Let me go ahead and show you another one. USD peso. I love this pair, to be honest. I really love it. I really love it. Make sure you guys you know, you comment below, share, subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe, because anyway it is free. It's not gonna cost you anything, but it's there. Okay, so I just want to keep reminding you guys, because Teamwitherving, it is on fire. So we here trading with our rules, and we are on fire. All right, we are on fire. Yes sir, let's go. Teamwitherving is on fire. Yes sir, Teamwitherving is on fire, believe that. All right, so the next pair that I have here is the USD peso. USD peso, it is very sexy in my opinion. Market is still giving us a sell position at this present time. Look at this one, sell. Right now the market's still selling, guys. PV tried to come in here, but it didn't succeed much. So in my opinion, this guy here still pushing down. So market's gonna retrace and retest that 61.8 Fibonacci line, right? From there, then yes, this bullish position that is forming here is gonna reinforce, and then it's gonna get strength. And from there, what is gonna happen? The market is gonna push up, retesting our 50 to our 38 Fibonacci line. Then we're gonna see a continuation of the sell. But we are coming back on Wednesday at 3 to 4 p.m. Eastern time, where we're gonna reanalyze before and after. We're gonna reanalyze the video that we are making today, Saturday, the video that we are gonna be recording tomorrow, Sunday. Then we're gonna be reviewing those two videos into one on Wednesday, real data before and after. All right. And guys, on Monday I'm gonna do a live streaming just for you guys to see what the market is doing. I may not be talking on it, but you guys gonna be seeing what real time multiple time frame is doing. Let me know in the comment below if that is a good idea. If you don't want me to do that, I will respect your opinion and I will not do it. Okay, but if you think it's okay, it will help you one way or another, sure, let's do it. Let's do it. Boom boom boom. All right, so let's move along. I get very excited. Let me bring you my trumpet, right? That's what we're doing. All right, so next one in here. I know I'm not promoting this, guys, but I have to let you know that the link is below if you want to join us, our multiple time frame. Like, share, comment, and everything, guys. Please check your news. Do not trade without rules. Never ever trade without rules. And so let's see what the market is doing here. Oh, here is Euro USD. I want everybody to understand the Euro USD, it is selling, guys. If you did make money, look at what our system, look at the beauty of using multiple time frame. We all know, really, we all know the market is selling. We all know it's been selling for a long time. So if you wouldn't have our system, the system would tell you, hey, here's a sale, let's go. Boom, market drop. And then what happened was the market had to take a break, right? So the market gave us a what? What do you think this bullish position represent? So we knew the market was doing a pullback, and pullback can be nice or either can be bad business. If you don't know how to trade PV, do not trade it. I had to say that many times, and I will never get tired, because that can blow your account. But look at what happened with our multiple time frame. Our multiple time frame really give us more indication saying, okay, Irving, now we are getting ready in the direction of what? In the direction of what? What is the trend here? Is the trend selling or buying? Of course it's selling. So the market is giving us indication the market is going in continuation of the trend. So all I can see this week, guys, is the market still gonna push down because the market is selling, right? Market is gonna come back and retest at 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line. Then it's gonna do a tiny retracement, come back and retest this level here, basically this magic arrow. Then market, boom, will continue as a sell. Anyway, we are coming back on Wednesday and we're gonna review this before and after. All right, so that's what we're gonna be reviewing. And guys, let me know in the comment below if you want me to change the title of this video. Usually it's a pre-week Forex analysis, 15 to the 19th of March. If you do have any other idea, please let me know in the comment below. And so I was just getting ready, to be honest, on the other pairs that I'm gonna analyze tomorrow. So I was just getting ready to analyze those. But if you want me to throw any of your pair, please let me know in the comment below so you will know what that pair may do next week. But so far the market, it is very sexy. So I can see is March has been very nice, even though that this week was very slow. But to be honest, once you trade with rules, it doesn't matter what comes on your way. You always gonna take this with pride, and that's what we do here best. All right, make sure you guys let me know if you want me to analyze any of your pair, and I will be more than happy to do so. Okay, like I said, you know, today we are trading our pre-week Forex forecast, the week of March 15 to the 19th. So that's what we are trading today. So tomorrow it is our weekly forecast. Please make sure you subscribe and you will never ever miss any content from us. So let me know, guys, if you do have any question. I really don't know if you do have question or not, but there it is. I just wanted to remind you what we are doing today. Okay, but and don't, please guys, in case you want to take a look at our multiple time frame, the link is below. And that's all I have, to be honest. So I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Hopefully everyone makes hundreds and hundreds of pips. And thank you guys. God bless you. And guess what? God bless our beautiful nation, the United States. Take care, guys. See you tomorrow. Peace. Yeah, you know we're here trying to collect those hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. So what? Wait. And hundreds of pips. Let's go. See